What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is ASA Studio. Have you ever experienced different skin tones or different skin color in your images and you try to wonder what color is actually affecting them? If that is the case, this is the video for you. Alright, so here we are in Photoshop, and today I'm going to be showing you how to easily identify those colors or those colors present in your skin tones or skin color that is actually affecting your images. Sometimes you just wonder what color should you adjust, and in this case of this photo you can see our ends is actually a little bit different from our face. You can see that we have different in color, and sometimes you want to blend these colors together, but I have various tutorials on the channel that I talked about how to use how to blend skin tones. Sometimes I use Capture One, but in this video I'm going to be showing you how to easily identify the colors to adjust. Alright, so as we all know, the skin tones contains the major color of the skin tones you normally see is the yellows, the red, and the oranges. Alright, so there's no green. I don't think there's green or any other ones. So for this type of image, is the perfect image to use. I'm going to be teaching you how to easily identify. Now if you closely look at the ends, you see it's actually different from the face, so just a little bit different. Now how do you easily spot these colors? As time goes on, you keep editing, you know that either red or yellow is actually the one causing the problem. So this is a little trick I normally do. I pick up the hue and saturation slider, and I've thought about this hue and saturation slider on the channel already. So what you need to do is to go down to either the red or the yellows. Now once you take it up with the saturation up, you see it affected everything, and it's another way to see the smoothness of the skin and the blemishes of the skin, which you need to adjust. So I'm going to reset that. I'm going to go to the yellows, and you see, bump it up so you can see the difference in color, the difference between the red and the yellow. You see that this side and this side is not actually the same with the face. This is how it's very easy for you to know that I need to adjust the yellows. Now take it back, let's reset the max back, and then let's close this. Let's zoom in again. Now I want the face to be like that of the hands, and you can see from the hue and saturation some places are not actually the same. When I cranked up the saturation of the yellows, some places were not saturated while some were saturated. It simply means the yellows are in the face and needs to be desaturated to match the hand, the color of the hand. So let's go back to our hue and saturation slider, hue and saturation adjustment layer, and then let's go to the yellows, and then let's bring it back all the way back. So with that, if I take it all the way down, you see that it's actually matching that of the hand, but that's just too much. So just a little bit of that we do. Okay, so you can also see that this place is actually lighter. You can also take it up to match that, and so we can go to the reds because it's affected much too, so you can also desaturate the red in that place. And then you have the uniform. Take this up just a bit. The whole point is to blend the photos together instead of going through a long process doing some frequency separation that's not actually going to blend all the skin together. It's just to know the right color to adjust. So now we have the before, you can see, and then the after, which has actually blended everything together. And now you can start creating a stamp visible layer, and after that you start working on your photo with frequency separation and the rest, and then you color grade, and then you totally make a full adjustment or a final adjustment to the photo by adding some skin tones with either the selective color or the color balance. I hope this tutorial is actually helpful for you. If it's helpful, you can actually hit the like button and you can share. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.